This video will guide you through the step-by-step process on using a publisher's website or an exam in a publisher's website, but still having it proctored with Proctorio. So first we will log into D2L, select our course. Once we are at our course's homepage, we can go to content and we're going to add a quiz. Keep in mind that you have to add a quiz in D2L or Moodle and then have a link to direct the students to the publisher's website. And that way, because Proctorio is monitored through, or Proctorio is activated through D2L. So if we go to quizzes and we create a quiz, so let's just do new quiz. And this is going to be my final exam. I will be using my McGraw-Hill Connect, but you can use My Labs, Wiley Plus, whatever you need. We are going to add or edit a question. Then we are going to do a new question, and I would just recommend text information. You can also have it as a short answer, and we are going to call this the link to connect and save. Oh, excuse me. And then we're going to add in here the link. So please access this link to take your exam. And once we do that, we can go into our either My Accounting Lab or McGraw-Hill and get this link, so that way it takes them to the home page and the student can go ahead and take the exam through, let's say, my McGraw-Hill Connect. So, excuse me, we are going to add that link here. And so if we click on this little icon, insert stuff, and click on insert link, add the URL, click next, and we can call this link to exam in Connect. And insert, and you'll see it there. So just save that. And that is your link. So we are done editing our questions. And you have all the information now here. You will, once you've activated Proctorio and you see this gray shield, you'll see your Proctorio settings. And then you just need to enable Proctorio. And I have two different profiles set up already, but I'm going to go through the process of how I set up this profile for the publisher's website test. So you hit this down arrow, you have the exam settings, and you can have the record video. That will record the students through the webcam, record your audio, record the screen, record any web traffic that they have, and then the room. They'll be prompted to scan the room with the webcam. I also have the lockdown options, and in this case, the only option you cannot activate is this disable new tabs. So you cannot activate that, and it's activated if it's grayed. If it's like in this blue shade, excuse me, and then if the grayed ones, the ones that are grayed out, those are not activated. So in this case, the force full screen and force completion. So basically what these lockdown options tell you is force full screen, it'll maximize the screen, but you really don't want to do that, so that way they can navigate to the website that your exam is on. I'm only allowing one screen here. You cannot make this active because you need the student to go to the tab. Then you can have them close all open tabs at the time, disable their printing, their clipboard, the cache, and the right click. Force completion, I would only use this in a final exam scenario where it's a high stakes exam. Anytime you enable a feature, you will get a video that pops up. And so then all you have to do, and it'll tell you here the force completion setting should only be used for high stake exams, okay, and may cause issues. But so you can enable that. And once you do, you see the verification option. So I want the student prior to taking the exam to verify their video, their audio, and their identity. And if you wanted to save this new profile, you can just click Create New Profile, and as I did previously, and you'll see a profile like this the next time you come into the Proctorio settings. Once you do all of that, you hit save and close. And then you will see your final exam here, and it'll say remotely proctored. And it's inactive at this point, so let's go back in and activate that. I missed that step. And if you see restrictions, you see status inactive, and we can change that to active. Save and close, and we are all complete. Hope this helps.